Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage the cleaning mode, how to switch from the normal cleaning to the deep in the Roomba Robot 405. So in the first step we have to select the cleaning or the routine. Tap on the start cleaning, now select the area to clean, and now we can choose the cleaning settings for each room. Like for the bedroom, click on the settings icon, and as you can see there we have the cleaning modes, and now we have the vacuum only, mop only, vacuum and mop, vacuum then mop, the suction power like a max, and basically that's it. Now we can also go back, and as you can see there we have the cleaning profiles, light, normal or deep. Just select it and click on the start. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.